we have our friends Jana and Linda. Alright, before we get started, there's just a couple of things I gotta go over real quick. You see these ropes here in front of the stage? We gotta make sure we're not pulling on them or climbing on them in any way, as we do a lot of big spins, kicks, and jumps here on stage, and we don't want anybody getting hurt. Second and final thing before we get started, those bubble wands we have for sale that some of you have out there, make sure we're not putting any bubbles here on the stage, as it makes it really slippery for us, and I don't think my friend Caitlin or I want to fall down tonight. So, without further ado, let's let out our loudest wolf howl and get started with our dance party. Ready? 3, 2, 1. And have some fun? Well, we have something brand new just for you. Our very own dance phrase. It's time to howl, move, and wolf out. This next song is about cutting loose, feeling the rhythm, and dancing together as one big pack. So don't hold back. Follow along, and let's show everybody how the wolf pack gets down. Let's howl it out and wolf out. Fantastic moves out there tonight, everybody. We're going to keep things moving with the greatest line dance in the whole Northwoods. This is the Golden Wolf Star.
Grab your family, grab your friends, grab your wolf ears. Come on, let's dance. You got your ears, you got your feet. Just clap your hands and stop to the beat.
Stop, stop, clap.
Stop, stop, clap. Stop, stop, clap, clap. Oh! Stop, stop, clap. Stop, stop, clap. Stop, stop, clap, clap. Oh!
Turn. And around. Dance to the front, dance to the back.
Dance all around with your great wolf pack. You know the moves just like you should. Now show 'em how we do it in the great Northwoods.
Stop, stop, clap.
Stop, stop, clap. Stop, stop, clap, clap. Oh! Stop, stop, clap. Stop, stop, clap. Stop, stop, clap, clap. Oh! In the great wolf stop. In the great wolf stop. In the great wolf stop. In the great wolf stop.
One more time.
Stop.
Is there anybody out there celebrating their birthday today? This one's for you. H-A-P-P-Y, H-A-P-P-Y, sing it with us. H-A-P-P-Y, happy birthday.
Spread the good news near and far. Today we have a birthday star. Happy birthday, here's your song. Clap your hands and sing along.
H-A-P-P-Y, H-A-P-P-Y, last time. H-A-P-P-Y, happy birthday. Awesome job, everybody. We're gonna kick this party off with a little dance tonight. Up to the side, around and around. Around and around. One arm up, the other arm up, and take it down. Point. Point to the side, point to the side, and go. Right, right. Up to the side, around and around. One arm up, the other arm up, and take it down. Point. Point to the side, and go. Fire! Now come on! Clap, clap! Point! Fireworks! Second note! Awesome job, everybody. We're going to keep singing with something with a lot more energy. This is big.